Here I have LG K22, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly, you have to go to settings, then you have to go to the network and internet section, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can switch your hotspot, here you can change its name, here you can show its barcode to connect to your hotspot. You can select security protocol, select VPA2 if you want to have password, and select none if you don't want to have password on your hotspot. Here you can change your password, and there's also a feature turn off hotspot automatically if no one is connected. And you can also switch your hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.